On today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how I created this thumbnail using just my phone. The apps you need are Canva and Adobe Lightroom. Let's begin. Open Canva. First, pop in a square and cover half of the canvas with it. Next, give it a smooth radial gradient like I am. Duplicate the shape and place it on the other half of the screen. Give its gradient a contrasting color. Now pop in the image you want to use as the background and make some adjustments. Then open the Image Blender app inside Canva. Select the image and select Radial. Now adjust it as you like. When you're satisfied with it, save it and adjust the transparency. Now pop in the image you want to use for the other half and repeat the same procedure. You're satisfied, time to start with the subjects. Adjust as you like. Time to add the text. Choose the font and color you prefer. Add a shadow effect to give it depth. Adjust as you like. Place the text behind the subject and don't be afraid to nudge it around until you're satisfied. Duplicate and repeat for the other half. Add a circle and give it a radial gradient. Follow these steps to create a glow effect. Move it behind your subject and adjust. Duplicate and repeat for the other subject. Now, time to split the halves. Adjust the shape and color until you're satisfied. Save the image. Now for the final touches. Open your image in Lightroom. You want to focus on the detail, effect, and light settings in order to give the image more depth. Make adjustments until you're satisfied with the outcome. This is the final product. Leave a comment on what you want to see next. If you need a thumbnail designer, email me or DM me on Instagram. I'd be happy to work with you. Until next time, stay creative.